This is an introductory video about what uPar is, how it works, and which students benefit from it. Let's get started. The name uPar stands for the Universal Protocol for Accommodations in Reading. Its purpose is efficient and powerful to give educators data to see if text-to-speech benefits a student's reading comprehension. Since nearly all academic learning requires students to have strong reading comprehension skills, knowing if text-to-speech is effective can dramatically improve student learning. Here's how it works. There are two websites that make up uPar. UniversalPar.com, which is where educators work to set up students, manage other educators, manage uPar content, and most importantly, view student results. StartPar.com is for students. This is where they take uPar protocols. So let's talk a bit more about what happens at StartPar.com. Inside StartPar.com, students take the uPar protocol. During the protocol, students start by establishing their accommodation grade level or how well they comprehend text at their current grade level with text-to-speech. A brief high-interest passage is presented with text-to-speech support. Students then answer 8 to 12 based on grade level comprehension questions. If they get 75% or greater of these questions correct, they are moved to establishing their independent grade level. If a student gets less than 75% correct, they are moved down a grade level. This will happen no more than 3 times. Once the accommodation grade level is established, uPar switches to establishing an independent reading grade level. The process is identical to the previous process, but without any text-to-speech support. If a student gets 75% or greater on their independent level questions at their current grade level, they will not be presented any additional independent reading passages. If they scored less than 75%, uPar moves them down a grade level and repeats. Again, just like the accommodation grade level testing, this won't happen more than 3 times. If a student scores more than 75% on an independent grade level assessment, even if they have moved down a grade level or 2, and they scored more than 75% on their current grade level accommodation passage, uPar will offer them the opportunity to try higher accommodation grade level passages. While this sounds like a lot, it's a very smooth process, and most students finish the full protocol in under 20 minutes. Teachers and administrators will find easy to understand and powerful reports on students' uPar protocol results at universalpar.com. Reports are updated as soon as a student fully completes the protocol. This data can be easily shared in a PLC meeting or any other venue where teachers are making instructional decisions about what works best to improve student learning. Which students should take uPar? Nearly all of them. Best practice frameworks like Universal Design for Learning let us know that all learners have highly variable needs. The data from uPar puts teachers in control to make strong data-informed instructional decisions. Powerful! While you can give uPar to any number of students when you have a domain license, you might consider choosing 2 grade levels as a starting point. If you choose to do this, we recommend targeting all students in 4th and 8th grade. 4th grade is where most curriculum models fully make the switch from learning to read to reading to learn. And 8th grade because the transition to high school can be challenging, and this additional data may provide insights to ease this transition. Remember too that uPar is designed to take less than 20 minutes. This means an entire class of students can complete it in under a single class period. So it provides very high impact data for a very small amount of time. It also may be necessary to make uPar available to any and all special education students whenever they may need it. uPar really is an educational tool that is necessary for some, but beneficial for all. To learn even more about uPar and all its amazing features, be sure to visit everway.com.